It's still November 6th, Saturday, 2021. While my video's loading at the house, it takes 2 hours for my morning video to do. I thought I'd visit the Kaboom shop. I haven't been here for a while because I've been so busy with city council and everything on single stream recycling. Got it approved, got the cage down payment done. It should be ready by the cleanup event on the 20th this month for Kamiganeko Warriors. This is the next Kaboom going in Mambahao River next to the airport. And it's got to hold up to severe current flow. It's from a dry creek bed to like torrential brown water rapids. I've upgraded to heavy duty nylon line instead of rope. I won't need any UV protectant on it. I'm not sure if I can even hold any UV protectors on. The bottles don't come out. But we're gonna nick this one crusty Kaboom because I had to bow down and take a few tires that weren't quite up to snuff, that had their belt sticking out in that, but you know what, it won't make any difference. It'll still last as long. Plus I'm adding 4 10-inchers on the end for a little extra reach because it's a very deep canal. And then I'll be putting a couple of these motorcycle tires as shock absorbers so they don't pull the concrete anchors out of the concrete when it gets hit with a hard storm or a log or a rock, whatever. So this one's going to be interesting. I've never done a dry canal that has a flood yet, so all the other ones were floating. Oh, this one will float when it gets hit, but yeah, I need to do a little housekeeping. My house isn't much better, really. I don't have a housekeeper. And I'm just a messy bachelor boy. So that should be going in, I was hoping this month, but I don't know. I got my single stream recycling to take care of. I really don't know when it's going in. And there's some more tires that I picked up. These are the ones I have to scrounge. These are my favorite, the MRF 12-inch. They're perfect fit for the bottles, and they're bias ply, so if I need to drill them for the PCV to go on the ends, no steel belts to worry about. So that's my day. I'll be back.